Welcome to DCC NIT Agartala. This is the problem efficient pen linking from CodeChef contest. So in this contest there are 20 in this problem we have given 20 officers chefnet who can link the pen to Aadhaar, and there are n applications which 20 officers have to convert into pen to Aadhaar. Okay, so there is a condition that every officer will convert the exactly same number of applications. So we have given n number of application and we have to tell how many applications are left after processing everything. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to only print the modulo 20, because if we divide n applications to the 20 officers, and by the condition that every officer will convert the same amount of applications. So you have to print only n modulo 20. So this is the code in Python. So we have taken an input and we have print n modulo 20. But if you are a C++ or a Java user, so the range is very higher. So what you have to do, you have to print the last two digit modulo 20. So you have to convert the last two digit of the input and you have to print modulo 20. So your answer will be accepted. So yeah, this is the solution. Thank you so much.